Everyone! Kamusta po kayong lahat? Gusto ko lang po sanang bumati sa aking isang espesyal na kaibigan. Masasabi ko ng kuya ko siya, wag lang tatay kasi formang-forma pa at batang-bata pang aking kuya. Wala po akong ibang ibig sabihin, kundi gusto ko lang po sana siyang batiin ng isang Happy 70th birthday, Tatay Jess! Sana po ay malusog na pangangatawan at malakas na pangangatawan at mahabang buhay pa para palagi ka pa rin namin makakasama ng iyong buong pamilya. Ulit po, happy birthday! We love you, Tatay Jess! Bye!
Happy 70th birthday, Tito Jess. Long live and be happy.
Happy birthday, Pare Jess! Sana palakasin pa ng ating Panginoon ating mga katawan. Habang tayo nagkakaedad malakas tayo. Happy birthday!
Hello, Sir Jess. Kamusta na? Grabe, miss na kita. Malapit lang kayo dito sa amin. Lagi tayong magkasama, nagbabike. Namimiss ko na din yung magic mo tuwing may okasyon, may party. I miss you so much talaga, Sir Jess. Happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday. Mabuhay ka. Mag-iingat lagi, Sir Jess. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tatay Jess! We love you. God bless you. We wish you good health.
Happy birthday, Tatay Jess! I miss you.
Game.
Happy birthday, Tatay Jess! I wish you good health. I miss you. I love you. Happy birthday, Tatay Jess. At ingat ka po palagi. Happy birthday, Tatay Jess. I miss you. Ingat palagi. I love you.
Hello, Tatay Jess. Happy birthday. Miss ka na namin. Wish namin sa'yo good health and more birthday to come. See you soon, Tatay Jess. Teacher Jenny, I miss you too.
Happy birthday, Tatay Jess! Hope to see you again soon!
Happy birthday, Tatay Jess. Sana ingat ka po palagi. Miss ko na po ikaw at sana good health at long life. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, my darling. Many more. Another year has passed. I love you even more. Your eyes, I love to see. Your lips, I love to kiss. Your hand, I love to touch. I love you so very much. Tomorrow start a new year and memories we have made. I long to say I love you, darling. Happy birthday. Your eyes, I love to see. Your lips, I love to kiss. Your hand, I love to touch. I love you so very much. Tomorrow start a new year and memories we have made. I long to say I love you, darling. Happy birthday. Ling, happy birthday. More birthday to come. Magsama tayo sa habang buhay. Karoon ka ng mahabang buhay. Abutin natin ang 100 years para maibigay mo sa akin ang 100,000. I love you.